Hello everyone, today we are going to blink this LED with this touch sensor and Arduino. So here if I touch this touch sensor, so it glows. Wow, magic. So here the products that you are going to need are, first of all, one LED, touch sensor attached to the jumper wires, and last one is our this Arduino. So I will provide the link in the description. From there you can download the code for this project. So we will take our LED and attach to the pin number 13 of Arduino and ground pin. So make sure that you have attached the negative part of the LED to ground. Now take your touch sensor and see here that S16, we have to connect this S16 to digital 2 of Arduino, VCC to 5V and GND to GND. So I will connect it. So this is our code. So I will provide the link in the description. From there you can download this code. Now upload this code. So I have already uploaded. So thanks for watching my video.